Sometimes on X or Twitter, you may get notifications related to you or your post. Sometimes someone will mention you, or sometimes someone will comment on your post. That's when you'll get notifications. But if you don't want these kinds of notifications in your email, you can disable just those. You'll still get normal notifications, but you won't receive them in your email. In this video, we'll show you how to disable that kind of notification. Open the X application. After that, at the top, you can see your profile photo. Tap on this profile photo. When you tap it, here you'll see Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Support. When you tap that, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this. And here you'll see Notifications. Tap on Notifications. When you tap that, here you can see Preferences. Tap on Preferences, and here you'll see Email Notifications. Tap on this. When you tap that, you'll reach a page like this. First, what you need to do is make sure Email Notifications is turned on. If it is turned on, down here you can see Related to you and your post. Sometimes under that, you'll see one option. New notifications that will be turned on. If it is turned on, just turn it off. After that, in your email, you won't get notifications related to you and your post. So this way, you can easily disable that notification. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.